Hey bro, look at this ad, vacancies for excavator drivers. Today's interview, let's go.
Yeah, look like new excavator Volvo. Let's tell all friends. Now we have arrived in destination.
To enter this place, please scan body temperature first.
Thanks for coming.
Oh no, I feel nervous.
Good morning, can you drive an excavator?
Yes sir, I have 3-year experience on operator.
Good, I will test you with new excavator Volvo. Now, go to the cabin, and I will give instructions for you. Now, lift up the boom. Good, now open the arm. Very good, now close the arm. Good, now time the test parking. Now, parking the excavator in the cone. Very good, now you has passed in this test. Good job.
Thank you sir.
Hello sir, my name is Ropa. I have 2-year on experience drive excavator.
Good, now testing for you is digging. Move on excavator and dig this ground. Good job, now you are passed in this test.
Hello sir, my name is Jackie. I do not have experience for this excavator, but I want try it.
Good, test for you is grab the ball. Now, lift up the ball and put on the truck. I'm sorry Jackie, you failed this test. Come again at the next interview.
Hello sir, good morning.
Yeah, what is your name and your experience?
My name is Loki. I have 5-year experience as driver excavator.
Good job. Testing for you is hacking the stone. Good job. You are passed this test.
Thank you, sir.
Good job all. Now, you are work with this company now. You all can work tomorrow. And stand by for big project.
Okay, sir.